I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block, and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button, and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch block called duck tracks. For this you're going to need two 4 1/4 inch squares in background fabric, 8 3 1/2 inch squares in background fabric. In fabric A, you're going to need two 4 1/4 inch squares, and in fabric B, you're going to need two 6 1/2 by 3 1/2 inch rectangles. And again, in fabric C, you're going to need two 6 1/2 by 3 1/2 inch rectangles. Making the half square triangles. Using the 4 1/4 inch squares in background fabric and fabric A. Draw a diagonal line on the back of the background squares. And sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the line. Then cut along the drawn line. Press the seams towards the darker fabric and make 4 in total. Trimming the half square triangles. Lay the 45-degree line on the ruler on top of the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at just over 3 1/2 inches. Then trim the top and right edges. Turn the unit round and lay the 45-degree line along the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at exactly 3 1/2 inches. And then trim the right and top edges. Making the half flying geese. Use the rectangle fabrics and the 3 1/2 inch squares in background fabric. Draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of all the squares. As shown. Place a triangle in the corner of the rectangle with the line in the direction as shown. Repeat with all the rectangles. Then sew on top of the line. And cut a 1/4 inch away from the line as shown. press seams towards the triangle and repeat to make 4 units in total. Block layout. Press your units and lay in the block layout. Pin the squares right sides together with the half flying geese and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press and return to layout. Pin in rows and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press and return to layout. Pin and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press your centre seam open. Congratulations, you have made the duck tracks block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.